what's up? What the fuck? This fucking bird just attacked me! Yo! Ah! This fucking bird just attacked me. What type of shit? I'm out of here. Okay, I don't even know what I was saying. Grand Rapids, Michigan. Don't come here. The fucking birds are murderers. What type of shit was that? Holy fucking shit. I was just about to say how nice it was. But okay, you know what? I'm not gonna let that one bird make the case for Grand Rapids, Michigan. But I'm not gonna lie, if I see another one, I'm gonna be a little upset. It's a video. It could look like it might be fake. That bird definitely attacked me. It like literally landed on my head and tried to like snatch my do-rag off or something. I don't even know. Bruh. All I know, the birds in Grand Rapids, Michigan are fucking racist. That guy has an electric skateboard. I want one so bad. Start the GoFundMe for a petition or a GoFundMe to get me an electric skateboard and also like a lot of money and a fucking gun so I can kill birds that land on my head and not be out here lacking, because I thought I was safe. I've been saying, hey, how you doing, to all these good white people, and overcoming my fears of my other man and my cynicism. And it looks like now we got to go up against the birds. That's madness. Stop Grand Rapids, Michigan birds from attacking black people. Hashtag stop fucking. Hashtag stop letting these goddamn birds from Grand Rapids, Michigan attack black people with no repercussions. .com, period. I'm out of here. We got the alligators. Bad red alligators, Florida. Fuck your life. Okay, so after being attacked by racist birds and calming down, I like it here. The weather is literally perfect. I will admit, I follow the weather. So I mean, I wouldn't have came out here today and been hanging out and filming right now if it sucked, you know. So what can I say? But the sidewalks are very smooth for skating, so that's nice. Seems like they got a nice transit system going. It is still very car centric, but there's a lot of parking garages, like this one. And I don't know, just this one little spot that I'm in that was near the Planet Fitness. It's very nice. But I think I've been going in circles. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. You know what? I do. And now I'm holding the camera to my face, so I have to hold myself accountable. I am editing the cozy sweater vlog. I'm getting back on my YouTube shit. Okay, because I'm realizing I actually like that I haven't that I get like no views. This is how it works, man. Everybody comes to YouTube, they're like, yeah, man, I'm gonna become a millionaire. I'm gonna quit my job and become a YouTuber, and I'm gonna just do whatever, blah, blah, blah. And it's like everybody ties it to money and to the fame and the power and all that stuff. It's not about that, man. That's not what it was about when it started back in my day. 25 years ago or whatever. You know, it used to just be like people just put things on the internet to share them with the world. Put something beautiful out just for the sake of putting it out there. And that did something both for themselves, and it does something for the world as a whole. Okay, if it happens to reach other people. It might not though. And you have to be okay with that. Hold on, hold on, I have to make another point. Where the fuck did I park? If you have, so let's say, well, let's not make an example. Let's just say the actual thing. Like for me, if I'm like, yep, I'm gonna post this video and it's gonna be so good, it's gonna blow up and I'm gonna make a bunch of money, right? The very first time you do that, you're not gonna do that. You know what I mean? So you're gonna be disappointed. If you say, okay, well, if I post one video a day, every day about whatever, okay, I'm definitely going in circles. Then I'm gonna get this and this many views and blah, blah, blah. It's like, I don't know what to tell you, dude. Every time that you do something with the intention of getting something out of it and you don't get that thing out of it, you're gonna be disappointed. And it's going to discourage you. Oh, brother, fucking hell. It's going to discourage you from trying to do that kind of thing again or do anything really. Hold tight, don't let him kill me. Oh my god. Okay, I have to find out. I have to find where I parked. Bye. I'm fine. I hate insects.
Can we have a reasonable companionship and get me to, like, the mountains of Colorado? You know where the mountains, I'm told, are beautiful? At the intersection 4-way of where Utah, Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado intersect, meet, and it's all called Four Corners, Utah, Four Corners, New Mexico.
Well, bye-bye. See you later.